So this is my nursery visit part two. It's so colorful, beautiful. You can see all the different colors here, well arranged. You'll see these flowers in different colors, well arranged. Many are sold today because it is a weekend. And this is a rubber plant. Beautiful colors around here. And now I'm going to the shaded area where the plants doesn't need more sunlight. So these are water lilies which are kept in the shade. So this shaded area is very cool. It's sunny and hot outside. This is very cool, and they have maintained it quite well. These are small decorative flowering plants which can be kept in the front yard. They're very beautiful, pretty. These are all plants which requires shade, so well maintained. And these are fruit again, guava tree. There are some big trees and some small one, and they have arranged the prices accordingly also. Beautiful flowers everywhere. It's beautiful rose. And they're so healthy. The leaves are so shiny and bright. There are decorative pieces around here so people can take the pictures and have fun time. Kids are also around enjoying here. So going to nursery is like healing process. You feel so good about everything, even if you don't buy anything and just visit a nursery. This is my favorite Vinca. It doesn't require much care, and they grow very beautiful flowers, and it has medicinal value also. They have white Vinca and pink. So do enjoy. Uh, Stay safe.